Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel Shahina's Lifestyle. Right now I'm standing in front of Riyadh Library. We come here every day for walking, and today is something special. They have done a special setup here. They have put a lot of lights and they have decorated the Riyadh Library, and the name of this arrangement is called Noor Riyadh. They're gonna make Riyadh look so beautiful, and Noor means bright and something with pages, and it's so good. They have done a lot of lighting over here. Yeah, but it's a bit dark right now. The time is 11 p.m. I would have shown you my face in light if I had come a bit early. Anyway, let me flip the camera and show you how the Riyadh Library looks with the lights projected. We all feel so refreshed and bounce back from the coronavirus threat. Finally, Riyadh is coming back to life, and I'm hoping to see more events and more fun with Riyadh city, inshallah. I've started my walk. My timer is also running. See, it's just 8 minutes I've begun my walk. I think I have to restart it. I didn't do my walking properly. I'm gonna restart my outdoor walk time anyway. Okay, we have come to Riyadh Library, and this is the place we usually come on a daily basis for walking. And today they made something called Noor Riyadh. Noor Riyadh. Looks like they're gonna have some light show kind of thing. I think they light up the entire Riyadh Library building, and we're gonna have a light show or something. I don't know what they are up to. I have no idea, but I could see some setup here. They have built a cabin or a tower kind of thing, and they're projecting things from there towards the... Wow, the color is changing. It's cool. And we come here every day, every single day for walking. The time now is 11 p.m. and they have switched off the light. Otherwise, this place is so bright. They switch off the light after 9:30. 9:30 or 10? I don't know. But right now the time is 11. That's why it's dark. Whether you could see me in the dark. It's all dark in here. I'm shooting this video from my iPhone 10. Should have come a bit early. Would have got the full view.